Good morning, guys. I have this powerful message to share with you, and there is no time to waste. Right now, the biggest thing that humans ever created in history, right now it's breaking through. It's right now compounding on a fast pace. I'm talking about AI. And in this video, I will show you how you can jump on the train to not be left behind, because there are, in the future, there are gonna people like, it's always like this. The moment when a crisis happens or the market crashes, like there are a lot of people that benefit from that and they become millionaires. And I think that in the next 10 years, trillionaires will be created. And you can be one of them, like you can be one of the billionaires. This is like right now, life is like a movie. There is not a single minute that you can waste. And this is no fear-based thinking. I'm not trying to make you afraid or something. No, this is about thriving in the near future, using things on a high level, become the high-level executor, and really like the main thing is don't get left behind, because right now time is going very fast. You're gonna be left behind if you don't understand this. And this is no marketing. I have nothing to sell you guys. And really, I value honesty over anything else. And I'm telling you right now, what's gonna happen in the near future, you guys are going to be shocked. Not like I mentioned, this is just to get you the ball rolling, to inspire you, to help you to jump on the train now. It's not about like, oh, if you miss the next trend, it's not about trends. This is about life changing. Like the same way that old people, when the smartphone came out, old people, they didn't want to transition to the smartphone. And this is right now exactly the same thing for AI. So let's not waste any more time. Let me share with you what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm just doing my work on e-commerce. You can see the view, it's crazy. This is why I love Dubai, like very inspirational views, very high energy. I can get sun in the morning and then do my work, be productive. So the reason why I want to be productive is because the reason that I want to be productive is not because I feel bad if I'm not productive. Yes, that's also a reason. But right now I must be productive because there are like crazy times that are coming right now. So let me share with you. First of all, right now, what people don't realize is you have ChatGPT, and AI is evolving very fast. What does this mean? Like ChatGPT, what it used to be isn't what it is anymore. And yesterday I had this crazy high-level, high-consciousness conversations, and ChatGPT AI right now is smarter than most humans. And I'm talking about infinite intelligence. I'm talking about AI has all the intelligence in the world, and it can think like a human. So it can help you to reach your goals at AI speed. So what's going to happen in the future, in the near future, is the ones who can leverage AI the best, those are the people that are gonna thrive. So let me explain you this, because people really, they don't understand how AI works. And me sitting here on this chair telling you like, hey, people don't understand why AI works. I'm using AI for the last 5 years. ChatGPT, I'm using it all the time. AI is here, was here for years, and people are not aware of it. The problem is that AI is becoming smarter, much faster, and you will not even, like, the persuasion, the influence that AI has is on a superhuman level, right? So for example, you have like the YouTube algorithm, you have TikTok algorithm, you have verifications, like identity verifications. And the first thing that AI is going to do is they're gonna replace tons of jobs, starting with office jobs, starting with virtual jobs. And right now is the time to take advantage of that. And let me explain you. So before going through like how you can use AI to change your life, you need to understand what AI is. AI is an infinite intelligence, and it accumulates like information. The moment when you ask it questions, so the moment when you go on ChatGPT, you ask it questions, you allow it to think. Like when you ask AI, like, hey, what's the fastest way to go from here to another country? It will give you an answer. But the moment when you tell him, like, are there different approaches? Are there different ways? You allow AI to retrieve information. You allow AI to think about things that it never has thought about. So let me explain you AI in the most simple way. In the history of human, and why this is the biggest thing right now, and it's happening right now. Like AI is here for years, but right now it's improving so fast at speeds that you can't even imagine. At this moment, that AI will change the world. That the world that I'm seeing right now is never going to be the same in the next 5 or 10 years. Why? You need to just understand this one thing. What's the most powerful technology that human beings have ever created in history? You're thinking right now, oh, it's Bitcoin. Oh, it's internet. And all these things are great inventions. Oh, maybe it's the light bulb, or oh, it's the car, or the plane. No, the biggest invention of human beings is money. The technology of money. Money is the biggest technology ever created by humans that don't even compare to all these inventions that I'm telling you right now. Why? The reason is, if you can leverage humans, you can create these powerful technology. So the moment when right now you want to create a faster airplane, it doesn't exist, right? You want to go to Dubai right now. If you go to Dubai, it's 7 hours, for example. This is just a stupid example. Like you want, instead of going to Dubai in 7 hours, you want to go in 3 hours. How did we do it in the past? You leverage humans. So you get a team of professionals, you gather them from the world, and you pay them money. That's how it works. So can you leverage all humans? Yes. If you want Chris Brown to perform at your birthday party, for example, you just need to pay money. How much money? I don't know. Like, is it $1 million? Is it $10 million? Who cares? But you can hire every human on this planet using money to leverage humans. What does leverage humans mean? You use the money like this. And the moment when people understand the technology of money, those are the most richest people in the world. That's why you hear stories of people like they can't even read. They have personal assistants, they're doing their emails. They can't read, like they're illiterate, but they're billionaires. And you can search them on the internet right now. I'm not into like giving you names because there's no time for that. Like, time is running very fast, and this urgency isn't even fake. It's the most genuine urgency that you can experience right now. Why is this important? Right now, AI is evolving on a fast pace and is already more intelligent than humans in a lot of things. What this means is that a lot of tasks humans do, AI can do it 100,000 times faster. They can like create a book in 5 minutes that humans took in the past like 2, 3, 4, 5 years to create, and they can create it even better because they're smarter than humans. So what does this mean? This means that leveraging humans is gone. It's still here. Like, you can still leverage humans, don't get me wrong, like, but we are transitioning into leveraging AI, and that's what the huge business guys are doing right now. Right now, huge business guys, like, they rely on AI to do most of their tasks. So AI does it 10 times more better than humans, and the governments in the entire world and countries, they use AI all of the time. And what's gonna happen in the near future is that AI is going to become smarter than humans. What this means is they're gonna reach super intelligence. The moment when AI, right now, AI is dependent on humans for its evolvement. So the moment when you and I go on ChatGPT and we ask it questions, you allow it to think, and the more deeper you go with the questions, the more it will think, the smarter it becomes. So in a way, you're feeding AI, or you're feeding the monster to become more smarter, to become more powerful, and stuff like that. Why is this important? If AI reaches super intelligence, and this is going to happen in the next few years, I'm not God. I can't look into a glass bowl, I can't. But if you're looking at the fast-paced involvement that AI is going through right now, that people are not aware of, if it keeps accelerating like this, there's huge momentum going on right now, and it's evolving in huge speeds that people have hard time to keep up with. So, if it keeps going like this, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen. So, AI is going to reach super intelligence. What does this mean? The moment when AI reaches super intelligence, this means that AI don't need human interaction or feedback to evolve. So they don't need us to become smarter, if that makes any sense. The moment when AI reaches super intelligence and it will help itself to evolve itself, the evolvement pace, like the speed of evolvement, will even compound and multiply even more. So if you start off like this code or something, like you start with one penny or something, you keep doubling it, and if you double it 32 times, then you become a millionaire, something like that. And this is what's happening with AI. The moment when you're at 500K, you double it, boom, you're a millionaire. Then you double it, you're 2 million. You double it, 4 million. Double it, 8 million. You double it, 60 million. It goes so fast and it compounds on each other so fast that AI is going at a high acceleration, like train on speeds, that light speed evolvement, if that makes any sense. What does this mean to us? If AI becomes super intelligent and it evolve itself, it will create technologies that humans can't create, because AI will be at the super intelligence level. So this is no conspiracy theories or stuff like that. Do your research. This is me I have done my research based on facts, based on what's happening today. So most people, they're not even aware of this. They're just living their life, oh yeah, chatgpt, but they don't understand that almost everything is based on AI. Like right now, a lot of tasks has been outsourced. So what will happen is, the people in the future that have this super intelligent AI at their disposal, basically, they will leverage AI instead of humans. So that's why is this important, is because it's gonna happen fast. And people think that, AI is gonna take our jobs, it's gonna outsource you, it's gonna be in the far future. I thought the same exact thing, but it's not gonna be in the far future, because AI almost reached super intelligence. Am I God? Do I know when? No. But the prediction says that it's gonna be in the next 5 years, right? So what does this mean for you and me together? What does this mean for us? Is in the future, the ones who will thrive are the ones that can use AI the best. So the top people in the world, they will merge with AI, and it's gonna happen, like you have Neuralink and stuff like that, and they will build new systems. This division will happen, and this is like based on what's happening right now. There's going to be a division with people who can leverage AI and outsource all the tasks in the world that exist right now. It's all gonna be outsourced. So a lot of people are going to be left behind. What does that mean? You will see soon enough, millions or even billions of people will lose their job. Like, imagine. And not right now, very fast, because AI is evolving, is super fast. So yeah, I think that you get the point. We need to wake up, and if you understand how AI works, you will not become the most powerful person in the world in the near future, but you will also become rich, wealthy, all these things that right now, do you think, like I am here in Dubai, right, and I'm doing ecom. All these guys that right now, all these entrepreneurs that are making money, they're just in competition with each other. Like, hey, I got the Ferrari. Hey, not all of them, don't like, let's not generalize here, but there are some people that they are just in competition with each other, like trying to prove themselves, like, hey, I have a Ferrari, I have a Lambo, look at me. And in a way, like, we all are validation seeking and stuff like that. I'm like that. We're all trying to prove ourselves, prove our value, but this huge thing is happening under the radar, and it's very scary, because if we don't act right now The people who don't wake up and use AI right now, they will be left behind. They will be struggling. They will have a hard time to make money. They will be consumed by AI. And right now, it's already happening. Like, people are consumed by TikTok, Instagram. They can't take action. They can't reach their goals, but they still go to their job forcefully, right? But in the future, there is no job to go to. And not in the future, like in 20, 30 years, it's gonna happen much, much, much faster. Like, what you're thinking right now, when it's gonna happen, it's gonna be 10 times faster. That's the crazy thing. So the top people in the world will be the elite. What's my mission? Why am I here? I'm going to study AI. I'm gonna give it all. I'm gonna give it all. I'm gonna ask God for help and stuff like that. I'm gonna do my best